Hello and welcome back to our channel Wristworthy, where we explore the finest timepieces from around the world. Today we have got something truly special on the table, the Seestern S407. This watch pays homage to the iconic Doxa 600T, a legendary dive watch known for its robust design and bold aesthetics. Whether you are a diver or a watch collector, your collection can never be complete without this watch. So let's find out what makes this homage so special. So we received this watch in this rugged design case, and it feels pretty solid. Let's open it up and let's see what do we have inside. Here we have a warranty card and a user manual. And we have got these tools to remove or resize the bracelet. Though I'm not really sure about the quality of these tools. And this is the moment we all have been waiting for. The S407. There are two options available for the bezel, ceramic and stainless steel. Also, the available color for the dial are yellow, blue, black, silver, Tiffany blue and orange. I got this watch in a zesty orange color because it just screams pick me. Also, my bank did not allow me to buy more than one. Let's remove the plastic from the watch. And here we have our watch. I never imagined the watch would look this fabulous. Now let's quickly check the dimensions. The case diameter is 40 mm. Thickness is 13 mm. And lug width is 20 mm. And lug to lug is 47.5. The watch features a sapphire crystal and powered by one of the most reliable Seiko NH35A movement. The crown is screw-down type and the water resistance is 200 meters. The bezel action is really good. The clicks are satisfying. And these tiny grooves on the bezel allows a better grip. Seestern is German for a starfish, and the same can be found on the crown. The sides are brushed and it goes pretty well with the overall design. And I must say they have done a damn amazing job with the bracelet. And the way it flushes into the design make it look like an integrated bracelet. And let me show you how does the loom look like. The watch comes with a solid link stainless steel bracelet. The bracelet has a brushed finish. The clasp has Seestern logo on it, and it has multiple extension holes to choose your best fit. The case back has a pattern of this humongous waves with the Seestern logo, and some information is mentioned as sapphire crystal, the model number S407, automatic movement, stainless steel 316 and 200 meter water resistance. The case back is a screw down and beneath this there is a Seiko NH35A movement. Now let me show you some close-up dial shots. The bright orange dial provides excellent readability and it features bold, luminescent hour markers and hands. The indices are printed and coated with Subaluminova material along with the date window. Seestern logo is also printed on the dial. Now let's try this on and let's see if it is wrist-worthy or not. So this is how it goes on my 7-inch wrist. On the wrist, the watch feels remarkably balanced and solid. Despite its robust build, it sits comfortably on the wrist. The vibrant orange style catches the eyes from every angle. The watch feels impressively sturdy, yet it doesn't overwhelm. So this is how it goes with Timex Expedition North Chronograph Green Dial. And this is how it goes with G-Shock Digital. Let's try on some leather straps. The watch looks absolutely amazing with this native blue strap. In conclusion, the Seestern S407 is an excellent tribute to the Doxa 600T, offering solid build quality, reliable performance, and classic dive watch aesthetics. While it doesn't stay far away from the original design, it offers great value for those who appreciate the iconic look without breaking the bank. If you are looking for a robust and stylish dive watch, this is definitely worth considering. That's it for our review of the Seestern S407. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, stay wrist-worthy.